Strama AI is one of the most exciting new AI software releases, and today I'm going to share 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. Whether you're a digital marketer, a business owner, or just curious about how this new tool can revolutionize your workflow, stay with me until the end because I'm diving deep into its features and showing you why it's quickly becoming one of the top choices in the AI space. Now, before we get into the details, I want to let you know that you can actually try Strama AI for free by using the first link in the description below. So if you're considering giving it a shot, don't wait. Trust me, you're going to want to see how it stacks up to the competition. Let's kick things off with the first major benefit. Strama AI is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a coding expert or a tech guru to get started. It's built with a simple interface, so even if you're a beginner, you can hit the ground running. This makes it an ideal choice for marketers, small business owners, or anyone who needs an intuitive AI tool without the steep learning curve. The second crucial point is its versatility. Strama AI isn't just a one-trick pony. Whether you're looking for help with content creation, customer support automation, or advanced data analytics, it covers all of those bases and more. It's designed to adapt to a wide range of business needs, making it a great all-in-one solution for teams of all sizes. One of the things I really appreciate about Strama AI is its integration capabilities. It can seamlessly integrate with other software and platforms that you're probably already using. From CRM systems to email marketing tools, Strama connects with your existing tech stack without missing a beat. This is a huge time saver and really boosts its potential for increasing efficiency across your business. Let's talk about performance next. In my experience, Strama AI delivers fast, reliable results, whether it's generating content, automating tasks, or analyzing data. The software has a built-in system that learns from your inputs, which means the more you use it, the better it gets. This continuous improvement process is one of the things that makes Strama stand out as an AI tool that evolves with your needs. Another big selling point of Strama AI is its cost effectiveness. When you compare it to other AI solutions on the market, Strama offers an incredible value for the features it delivers. It's not one of those expensive, bloated tools with unnecessary features that you'll never use. You're only paying for what matters, making it a solid investment for those looking to maximize their AI budget. Now, let's talk about security. With Strama AI, your data is in safe hands. The platform is built with robust security protocols to ensure that your business and customer information remains protected. You don't have to worry about your sensitive data being compromised while using the software, which is crucial for any AI tool that handles real-world applications. Finally, Strama AI is backed by a solid customer support team. Should you run into any issues or need help with specific features, their support is available and responsive. It's always a relief to know that you won't be left in the dark if you run into trouble. I've tried thousands of AI tools over the years, and I can say with confidence that Strama AI is one of the best. It's powerful, easy to use, and versatile, making it ideal for anyone looking to integrate AI into their business. I've got a list of my top recommended AI tools in the description below, so after trying Strama, feel free to check them out. To wrap up, Strama AI isn't just another software, it's a game changer that's quickly gaining traction in the industry. Try it for free and see for yourself how it can take your digital marketing, business operations, or whatever you're working on to the next level.